Hello everybody, welcome to Beat the Market. I'm the admin, my name's Antonio Keogh. I'm going to make a video to share my TA on SPY, Triple Q, and Tesla. First up will be SPY. I'm looking at the daily chart right now. SPY today has an overall bullish day, which is to be expected. It's trading above the 13, which is the green, the 5-day moving average, which is the red. Here's my 20, the brown, and then this is my 50 right there, the orange. So I like to use my moving averages as support and resistance. So seeing that it bounced off the 13 today, to me, that is a bullish sign that we could be heading back to test all-time high very soon, which is around, what is that, 398.15, 398.12 cents. Okay, so of course we have to hold above our resistance. Right now we got it at around 392.5. Got the 13. So as it gets higher, I'm hoping the 5-day would cross up and maybe our support levels, would increase. So right now, SPY is looking very bullish. I'll look on the weekly chart. You look at that. That's a very bullish. You got the 5-day stacked on top of the 13-day, stacked on top of the 20-day. 50-day moving average is all the way down here. This is a very good sign. It bounced right off of our support. The week just started, so it's Monday. So I wouldn't give the weekly too much power just yet because there's still more room to go. We could be hitting over 400 this week. You never know. New all-time high, baby. So for us to be able to do that, we got to hold above 392. That is a very crucial level to hold. Staying above the 20-day moving average, of course. So our next resistance would be around 398.12. So keep an eye on that. If you're looking to short, that might be around the area you want to, considering we don't get rejected there. If we get rejected there, because if we don't, we could go to all-time highs, maybe even a 405, 404, 402. All right, so just keep an eye on that. I'm bullish right now on the SPY. And let's take a look at the Triple Q. With the Triple Q, it's heavy on the tech sector. So if SPY's going to all-time high, it'll definitely need the Triple Q to move along with it. If you guys watched my previous video, I spoke about the Triple Q and why I'm bullish on the tech sector right now using the Elliott wave theory. So if you guys like, I will leave the link in the description below. You guys can refer to that. But as we look at the daily chart right now, I see a triangle pattern forming. This is very choppy stuff. Choppy stuff. So you see it's above the 20, but it's below the 50. It's being rejected at the 13. That's both bullish and bearish at the same time. So this is a choppy market. But I still believe that we will enter a third wave here. Keep in mind, we still have support at 313, 310, 307, even down here at 303. The low, where I believe wave 1 began, was around 297 right here. So based on the rules, technically speaking, Triple Q can still come all the way down to 303. This will make a lot of people get scared and believe that, we're in a bear market. The bear market continue. It could be a bear trap for all we know. It could break down to here and just move right back up. That's just one of the possibilities, one of the probabilities, Or this could be like an A, B, C, go even down all the way down to possibly 291 or even lower, maybe down to 380. But I believe this is 1 and this is 2. It could even go as low as 303. If it does, we'll keep an eye on that. But I believe we're either on wave 2 still or we're heading into wave 3. So if you take a look on the weekly, we are still pretty bullish. We're still trading above the 20-day moving average. Here, above 20-day, tested here, above. I believe that as long as we stay above the 20-day moving average, we're still overall bullish. This is an overall bullish trend. It's not that strong as around here because the 5-day is crossing down. This is signs of weakness for the bull trend, but you never know. The price action is our biggest guide. So we're gonna continue watching. As long as it stays above the 20, these are all entry prices to me. And I will probably leave my stop loss anywhere below the support line, maybe around here. Yeah, I'll probably get bearish on triple Q if it breaks down below 308. But even still, you go back to the daily, it could go as low as 303, and it will still be bullish to me. We could still enter a wave 3 from there. You never know. So we got to keep our eye out. We got to stay alert and stay adaptable, guys. We don't want to call tops and bottoms just yet. And we can go take a look at Tesla. Tesla, holy moly. Tesla has been getting beat up for a while now. You take a look. This is the daily chart. It looks very bearish. It's trading below the 50. It's trading below the 20. This is a very bearish chart that we're looking at. We can go back to the weekly on Tesla. And you can see here, right here, it broke below the 20, right? And then here, it retested the 20 as resistant and got rejected. Now it's going lower. That is, to me right here, when it retests, because up here, the 20-day moving average was support. Broke down, retested it as resistant, and got rejected, and it's continuing lower. That is a bearish confirmation, guys. So to me, looking at the weekly chart, Tesla, I'm very bearish on Tesla. I might even look to get in some puts. I don't know, just an idea. Okay, and what do we have? This is a weekly. What do we got? Could retest the lower Bollinger Band around 490. Possibly even go back to test the 50. That's the weekly though. That's a terrible case scenario that happens. It could go back down to test 513. This is a 200-day moving average on the daily. Could test that, guys. So, as always, price action is king. That's our number one way to guide. We want to treat trading like it's chess. We don't want to just make moves. We want to wait for our opponent to make the move and we react accordingly. So, we'll wait to see what Tesla wants to do. As of right now, it looks very bearish. I might look to get in some puts on Tesla. Like I said, broke below the support of the 20-day moving average, retested as resistant, rejected, came even lower. All right, so I'm bearish on Tesla. The triple Q is moving choppy right now, but I believe we're on wave 2 heading to wave 3. So we're not out of we're still a little bit in trouble with the triple Q in the tech sector, but I have good hopes for it. And SPY, it looks like it wants to head to new all-time highs, but for it to get there, it's going to need the triple Q's help. It's going to need the tech sector to get it together. All right, guys, so I hope you guys got something out of it, and just have a good day.